Okay, so probably these have to be the most interesting motion sensors I've had and the most simplistic I've seen. Okay, I have quite a few. Yeah, I got the whole package. I bought it with my own money. I was not given or approached by a company, so that's just how it works sometimes. And how they work is really interesting. Now, these are the sensors themselves that you can plug all over if you want to. You see, and there's a few of them, and these are your chimes or responders, whatever you want to call them. There's a lot of them. Let me put them all out really quick. And these are the supports that you can put them on the wall if you wish so. Now we have a lot of stuff going on here, and you can either power them by plugging on the wall or by plugging a micro USB here on the side. Either way you like. This is where the music will come in, and this is where the sensor will go. Now, I like to put these especially outside for animals and whatnot, and that's how you put these in, by the way, in case you're wondering. You just push this and it goes like that. You can put it with little screws if you want to, and just plug it on the wall or outside on a tree like I'm gonna do, just to see what some deer might be doing lately and when they pass by, or just if you want to check for something more serious than just deer. But for this case, I'm gonna call it deer. Okay, so this, and let me plug one of these on probably a power bank really quick. That is our power bank, and I hope we have enough power on it. Okay, oh yeah, we have enough power. And let me turn on this one right here. Okay, and they will pair together in a second. Now, I don't know if the microphone is going to pick this up, but let's see. I'm going to move my hand. This right here, if I don't trigger it. This one right here is paired now with this one. Yes, they can be paired with either of them. It doesn't, they're not coded. So let me just, you hear that? Really quick, and the light starts flashing. So even the smallest motion, as you saw, I moved my hand out of there, and it will keep moving, and oh, stop. This is very sensitive. These sensors are actually very sensitive. Look. That's all it takes. And you can change the sound here on the side. I'm not sure if the microphone is picking. And it's, with music and all that cool stuff. And it's really, really loud. Somebody's there. Open the door. And you have some polka music for some reason. And it's kind of those MIDI style sound. And you can lower the music down or put it up to the maximum. These are actually really cool because I'm planning to put them outside and put this one near the wall somewhere just within range. So if something moves, okay, I don't know what it's saying, but okay, this one just says hello, and I by accident just moved my hand. Hello. Okay, so yeah, I as I was saying, I'm just gonna install them outside mostly, and I'm not sure that they will resist weather too good. Let me unplug it. I'm tired of it. Okay, so as you see, you can plug these both of them actually with or without batteries. Yes, they take three AAA batteries on the back if you want to go with batteries, or you can just directly plug it like this, and now it's turned on. I'm not sure if the camera can see. There's a tiny red light there, but I don't want it to be beeping the whole time now. But basically, that's their function. You pair them, and anything that passes by the sensor will trigger them and start beeping until you respond. Or you can just set it to beep twice like I did here, and you will see what happened. But yeah, they don't connect to any camera or internet or nothing. They're just straight up motion sensor with sound, and that is all it does. It doesn't do anything else. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I just wanted to bring it to your attention that these devices actually exist, and for good or bad, I don't know. they work, and they work pretty good so far. I will update you if anything happens to them, but I'm planning to put the sensors under some kind of micro awning that I'm gonna build for them, because no, they are not weatherproof. So if it rains on this one directly, I don't think this one is gonna make it. So I suggest you either put it under an awning or whatever, just to make sure that it doesn't get wet. So, or you can use it as a doorbell if you don't have any other options, your porch or whatnot. If anybody comes near the door close enough, this will ring. So yeah, without them actually touching the door. And in my opinion, that's actually worth it. It's not a bad idea. So again, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe with anybody that you might want or like to, and you might think they need to see it or want to see it. And we'll see you next time. Bye!